ServiceTitan login failures are usually caused by incorrect login details, account access issues, browser problems, or connection errors that prevent the platform from authenticating properly. By the end, you'll know how to troubleshoot a ServiceTitan login failed error and the steps to take when you still cannot access your account. Start by checking that you are entering the correct ServiceTitan username and password. A single incorrect character can prevent the login process from completing. If you recently changed your password, make sure you are using the updated password instead of an older saved version. Password managers and browser autofill can sometimes enter outdated information automatically. Next, try logging in through a different browser. Browser extensions, saved cookies, or cache data can interfere with the ServiceTitan login page. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then reopen the login page and try again. This removes stored information that may be causing the login issue. Check your internet connection before attempting another login. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the authentication process and create login errors. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem changes. If the login works on another connection, your network may be causing the problem. If you are using the ServiceTitan mobile app, check for available updates in your device's app store. An outdated app version can prevent features from working correctly. Restart your device and open ServiceTitan again after updating the app. This refreshes the app environment and can clear temporary problems. If you see an account-related message, such as being unable to access your account or needing permission, the issue may require an administrator or ServiceTitan support. Confirm that your account is active and that you have the correct access permissions. Company administrators may need to verify user access settings. If you have tried the basic fixes and login still fails, contact ServiceTitan support through official support channels. Provide the exact error message, the device or browser you are using, and the steps that caused the problem. Avoid repeatedly entering passwords if you are unsure of the correct credentials. Too many failed attempts may create additional access problems. The main fixes are verifying your login details, clearing browser data, checking updates, testing your connection, and confirming your account permissions. To recap, ServiceTitan login failed. Errors usually come from incorrect credentials, browser issues, app problems, or account access settings. Your next step is to verify your password and try a clean login attempt before contacting support. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other software troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.